Hey, what's up everybody? This is your Keto Chef Rob. The simplest and most respectful way to cook a piece of fish is called ceviche, and that's where you cure it in an acid. Instead of using heat to cook it, we're using lime juice. And the experience is totally different. If you haven't had ceviche before, you're in luck. I'm showing you the basic formulation for this quick Peruvian dish. Once you nail this down, you can make all kinds of ceviches, different ingredients, different cuts of fish. It's really limitless. Let's jump right into it. So ceviche, it's really important that you have clean hands, clean work surfaces, a sharp knife. Also important is you don't have a reactive bolt. Like aluminum, cast iron, and copper will start to get like a metallic taste. A really good commercial grade stainless steel is the one that I use. This one in particular is not reactive, but if you're not sure, just use glass. 5 limes here, and we're going to juice them, and I'm using half of a lemon. That kind of just balances out the acidity. This goes a lot quicker if you have a juicer. I just have a pair of tongs. Maybe I'll get a juicer when I start a Patreon account, but for now this works. So I'm using halibut for my ceviche. In reality, pretty much every fish works. What you want to aim for is like a less oily fish, because the oil keeps the citrus from penetrating all the way through. I've had pretty good ceviches with salmon and even tuna. Just make sure every little piece is coated in lime juice. We're also going to add some salt and pepper, and that's just for seasoning. What's really important is that you get some good fresh cilantro, and you can really add this to taste. If I had to guess, this is about 1.5 teaspoons. I really like my ceviche spicy, so I'm gonna pick what looks to be a spicy jalapeno. You can usually tell if it has serrations on the side of it. The more pith and seeds you add, the spicier it's gonna get. So just add that to taste. And I've got these really nice heirloom cherry tomatoes. And if you're really worried about carbs, go ahead and leave these out. You can tell that the fish is thoroughly cooked when the texture changes and looks like cooked fish, and also the juice that it's in starts to get a little bit opaque. Peruvians call this tiger's milk. Instead of using red onions, I'm using white because they have a little bit less carbs. Because this is such a simple dish, the onions can overpower it. So we give them a quick ice bath, and that takes a lot of the onion flavor out of it, but you still maintain a lot of that crisp freshness of the onion. Now get creative with the way that you're gonna plate this, because it's such a simple dish that your garnishes to really make this pop. I'm gonna balance out some of the lime flavor with some olive oil on top. Super necessary to make sure your plate is beautiful. Dress it with some of those onions and get ready, because you are about to have an amazing, beautiful seafood dish. Respect your fish, respect yourself, keep it keto, stay healthy guys. Peace.